Hey yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna finish doing the install and interior lighting like I was gonna tell you in the last video. Real quick, we'll go over what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna go over our dome lights right here. I already got the LEDs in them, but I'll go ahead and show you how to take them off. We're gonna get our vanity lights installed as well. Then we're also gonna do our map lights and dome light. Alright, let's do it real quick. All you're really going to need is flathead screwdriver or pry tool. They sell a plastic trim piece tool that you can pry these lens caps off with. Work on this one over here. I think we got the best light on it. You're just going to go in it and behind it. Start over here so you don't turn on your light. Then work your way back. And they'll come off just like that. And as you can see, I already got the LED bulb up in there. It's a simple, you'll just wrap a little bit of tape around your stock bulb. Scotch tape works just fine. That's what I use to get them off. And then you'll pull them straight down. Then reinstall the lens cover. Now we'll move on over to our vanity lights. They're pretty easy. Come in here. We'll do it over here. I think we've got the best lighting. Just pops off just like that. As you can see, I already got my LED bulb. Now, if they don't, way to work on these is to leave your, to open them up, and then just change your polarity if they don't work, and then they'll work. Then they'll turn on by just switching them. Then you'll just pop your cover back on just like so. Now on your map light, or sorry, dome light, I keep getting these mixed up. You'll come in behind the lens cover right here. It just pops off. Like so. Just like that, it'll come off. Then you'll hook up your LED. Now mine is a 3M adhesive tape with a bunch of LED on it, little LEDs. So I'm not going to take mine completely off. I'm just going to reinstall this like so. Pop on the back piece of it, then pop it back into place. And switch it back to your door, or if you need the lighting, you just switch it over. But as you can see, with all the LEDs on in the truck, it's actually very bright in here. It's much better. I don't know. Much brighter over stock. I mean, as you can see, put down my garage door now, so we can get a little bit darker in here, but a lot more visibility, even on your vanity lights and whatnot. So you can definitely get a feel for this small little upgrade. And these LEDs set me back maybe 16 bucks. So I know if you're definitely wanting to look for upgrading your interior lighting and for a brighter appearance, it's probably a good idea to upgrade to these LEDs, and it's a cheap way to change the look of your interior. Hope you guys enjoyed. this quick little update of the truck. I got steps coming in the mail that we'll install as soon as those get in. I'll try to throw the bed mat. We'll go over a little bit of the material and how it, do a little review on the Toyota bed mat, and we'll go from there. But hope you guys enjoyed. Please like the video and subscribe for more content, and hopefully we'll grow this truck into a one-of-a-kind Tacoma. All right, thanks.